What's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Nline TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr., and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, guys, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I really appreciate the support. Today, guys, I have the review and unboxing of the Yezzy Netrunner, the faded Onyx colorway. But before we begin, you guys already know the vibes. Please, sponsored. This video is sponsored by Nline, baby. Nline, the #1 brand out there. Guys, check out my brand on Instagram at NlineNYC. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Super excited. Let's go. So we have the box right here. On top it says Netrunner, RNR shortened for runner. So this is essentially supposed to be like, I guess, a winterized version of like the foam runner. You know, the foam runner is like a summer version. And these are size 8.5. Says faded Onyx, and these are made in China, guys. Same box as always. Kanye gives us, boom, shakalaka, the box. Now let's get right into the shoe, guys. Bam, guys, the shoe. Where to begin with this shoe? Like, I think it's so dope. I'm a little upset. I didn't pick it up myself, but you know, times are a little tough right now. You know, maybe I guess in the future. These are fire. If you're thinking about getting these, I do recommend going a whole size up or maybe a half size up, because Yeezys in general always will run small, and there's no exception here. You can tell right off the bat that they're very snug. There's a video on YouTube of how this shoe is constructed. Is mainly like foam. That's what gives it that the hold of the structure of the shoe. So this particular shoe is the faded Onyx colorway, and it is, I believe, the 5th release, and I guess it's probably the most wearable because the other colors were just a little funky. But I do enjoy more of the other colors. But you know, I'm starting to grow. It's starting to grow on me like black shoes, especially when they're different. And something like this is cool. So the top of the shoe is like true black, and then over here is like a faded charcoal black. The bottom of the shoe is that rubber. We got that traction of that wavy chevron pattern on the bottom, and you know, it's pretty cool. We got the sizing on the back, so 8.5. So it's a very minimal, clean shoe right off the back. Like, it's a, like, if you know shoe. You know what I mean? It has like no branding, and that's what I find like cool about it. Once again, Yeezy does it again. I feel like his ideas are crazy, man. It's cool how this has the similarity of a foam runner and a 250. And the slipper, like all in one. It's called the Netrunner because up here is like that knitted material. You can smell that paint. Honestly, it's very strong. Because I'm assuming that this is the true color, and then they painted this on. I'm assuming that's what it is. Because on angles, you do see like purplish tones. For some reason, you see like purplish tones. I don't know if it's like the paint they used or whatever. But yeah, if we take this out, we do see that it still does hold its shape. The inside has Yeezy, then the inside has the size. And as we can see, yeah, this is pretty much similar to a foam runner, like an insulated foam runner. And if you feel the inside right here on the sides, it's just that mesh with a little bit of plastic. But over here, you get that foam material, and it makes you feel very secure and snug. So I do recommend picking these up. Like, honestly, I slept on these. But, you know, you never know. I might pick these up in the future. On the back right here is interesting. It has like these 2 patterns that I guess is for like your ankle or heel. Interesting. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this shoe. I really feel like it's such an interesting shoe. First time me reviewing the silhouette on my channel. First and last probably, because you know they're saying that this is the end of the Yeezy wave, that they're not gonna drop no more. But you know, I don't really believe it, because you know there's leaks of images all the time. So anyways, guys, this shoe is fire. Guys, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your support. Follow me on Instagram at NLMNYC. And if you want to cop some merch, look drippy, hit me up. Go to my website, nlimnyc.com. Thank you so much, guys. Until the next one.